sponsors. The sponsor NAT, primary, secondary, the head of learning.
We managed to build 16,000 classrooms nationally, which have helped us to settle down our grade 9 learners effectively. And today, we are here to yet again mark another milestone, the launch of the transition guidelines from junior school to senior school. This is a clear testament to the fact that as a sector, we are on the right trajectory in the implementation of our competency-based education.
Calling upon the ministry to sit down with the stakeholders and listen out of politics so that we see whether we can take this education the right direction.